Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Facebook profile. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Facebook profile and click those straight three lines on top of your right screen and go to your profile. As you can see here it is said you locked your profile, and now go back and now click those gear icons here and scroll down a little bit and go to the option profile locking. Click that option here, and here to unlock it just click this button here, unlock, and just click unlock your profile here. Just click here and just click OK. As you can see, my profile is now unlocked, and this profile is for the public uses. And that is it for today's video, and I hope this video helps you, and I will catch you guys on the next one.